What is up, my fellow techies? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. You know what? Happy Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa. That should cover everybody. And with those words, you know what that means. CES 2025 is here. The Super Bowl for us tech nerds. The chance to see what new tech and gadgets await us in the months and years to come. Some we can't afford, some that will never see the light of day. But hey, it's great to see what is out there. Now, every year I take a look at what the major players are expected to showcase at CES. And if you want to stay up to date with what CES has in store, then you've landed at the right place. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button if you enjoy this type of content. All right, let's jump into this. With CES 2025 here, let's dive into what LG has in store for us. Spoiler alert, it's brighter, smarter, and yes, even more wireless. Let's get into it. Now, every year, LG dazzles us with some amazing TV that they display. What will it be this year? A disappearing TV? Now, that may not happen, but we do know what they have up their sleeve with their new QNED lineup. LG is set to expand its QNED Evo Mini LED series. These TVs are rumored to ditch traditional quantum dots in favor of LG's proprietary dynamic QNED color solution, promising colors so pure they'll make your rainbow look dull. But that's not all. Remember that Zero Connect box from the 2023 M series OLEDs? Well, it's making a comeback, bringing wireless 4K video at up to 144 Hz to the QNED lineup. Talk about cutting the cord, literally. Now, let's talk size. No, we're talking TV inches. LG is introducing its first 100-inch QNED model. That's right, 100 inches. Perfect for those who believe go big or go home applies to TVs as well. Who says size doesn't matter? And for those gamers out there interested in OLED, the G5 and C5 models are rumored to boast 165 Hz refresh rate. While your console may max out at 120 Hz, your PC gaming experience is about to get a whole lot smoother. Now, with the addition of the third generation of AMOLED technology incoming to the G5 models this year, promising brighter picture and better HDR performance, could we see AMOLED on the C5? There's always hope. Now, LG is not about to get left out of the AI race. LG's new TVs come with a new AI button right on the Magic Remote. A short press gives you relevant keywords and features, while a long press enables personalized searches. Planning a trip to Italy? Ask your remote for a movie recommendation set in the Roman capital. It's like having a concierge minus the tipping. Additionally, AI-driven enhancements will improve upscaling, HDR tuning, and even virtualize audio to a 9.1.2 channel output. Your TV is about to become the smartest member of your household. Sorry, Alexa. Let's talk about LG's Life is Good 24/7 with Affectionate Intelligence. This isn't just a catchy phrase. It's LG's promise of an ever-evolving AI experience. Imagine your home appliances not just responding to your commands, but predicting your needs. Thanks to LG's AI agent Furon and the Think On platform, this could be a reality. At CES 2025, we're expecting to see a parade of AI-powered home products. The self-driving AI Home Hub, for instance, isn't just a stationary device anymore. It moves around your home, learning your routines and adjusting environments accordingly. From dimming lights for bedtime stories to optimizing your air quality for your little furry fans, LG's AI is set to refine home automation. Now, for the green thumbs out there, LG's got something special for you. They're introducing indoor gardening appliances that blend functionality with style. Imagine growing herbs under a chic floor lamp or on a side table that doubles as a plant haven. It's urban living with a touch of nature, all thanks to advanced LED systems and smart controls. So, what should you expect from LG at CES 2025? A home where technology not only understands you, but cares for you. With the commitment to AI, innovation, and smart living solutions, LG is setting the stage for a future where our homes are not just smart, but affectionate. Let me know your thoughts are about what LG is bringing to the table in the comments down below. Once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you're new to this channel and want to stay up to date with the latest CES news, then this is the spot for you. Make sure you do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and if you enjoy this type of content, hit that like button as well. Now, if you have friends or family that want to stay up to date with the latest CES news, make sure you share that with them as well. And for even more tech news in video form, check out one of these videos right here. And until next video, guys, stay nerdy.